Dear students, we will continue the other types of asexual reproduction. The next one is fragmentation. The next type of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. In fragmentation, the parental cell or parental body or organism is split into many fragments. I'll repeat this. The fragmentation, the individual is split into many pieces or many fragments. This is called as fragmentation. Now, example. Flatworm. Example, flatworm, planaria. In planaria, there is a formation of, so here, in a planaria, there is a formation of many young ones. So, here, in this planaria, the individual is split into many pieces. Each piece is giving rise to new planarias, new individuals. Hence, this is called as fragmentation. So, like this, it helps in the formation of many individuals. Next, one more example called as earthworm. In earthworm called Peritema postuma. In this, the earthworm is elongated, segmented organism having clitellum with a segmented body. In earthworm, it also undergoes sexual reproduction also, but in some of the unfavorable conditions, they also undergoes fragmentation. When earthworm is split into pieces, fragments, each piece or a fragment undergoes new animal, or each piece gives rise to new individual, is also called as fragmentation. Next, fragmentation in plants. Example, fungi. The plant body of a fungi is called as hyphae or mycelium. This hyphae or mycelium is further split into many pieces. Hyphae or mycelium is divided into many pieces. Each piece is giving rise to new plant. This is also called as fragmentation. The next one is regeneration. In majority of the animals, we can see that when an individual is split, that fragment is giving rise to a complete organism. That phenomena is called as regeneration. I'll repeat this. One of the parent cell is divided into fragment, and this fragment has the capacity to give rise to the complete whole individual. For that, we use the word regeneration. So you can give even the starfish is one of the examples for the regeneration. The next type of asexual reproduction is budding. In some of the individuals, in some of the parent, there is a small outgrowths. There is a presence of small outgrowths on the parental body. On the parent parental body, this outgrowths will grow, attain maturity, and it is being split. And it is being separated from the parent, and this separated bit is called as bud, which gives rise to new individual. Give rise to new individual. I repeat this. In budding, from the parental body, there is a formation of a small outgrowths called as bud. The bud is cut off or pinched off to give rise to new individuals. Now we'll go for some of the examples. One of the example is cycon. It comes under porifera. So it is a pore-bearing organisms. It is sedentary, which cannot move from place to place. Sedentary, pore-bearing organisms. There is a presence of the microscopic pores called as ostia, and there is a large opening called osculum. Large opening called osculum, and it has a presence of spicules on the body, so it is called as a calcareous spicules are being present. So this is called cycon. So this cycon gives rise to a small outgrowth. So this outgrowth is called as bud. This bud helps in the formation of a osculum, minute pores, spicules, and attains the maturity, and this is being cut off or pinched off to give rise to new individual. So this is a bud formed from out. It is even called as exogenous bud. We'll go for the next example. Next example, hydra. So hydra, again, it is a sedentary freshwater coelenterate. Here there is a presence of a small elevated mouth called as hypostome. This hypostome is covered by tentacles. Hypostome is covered by the presence of orals of tentacles are being present. These tentacles helps in engulfing the food. So this is about hydra. Hydra produces a small outgrowth on their body. Produces a small outgrowth, and this outgrowth develops the mouth as well as the tentacles, and then it is cut off or then it is being pinched off to give rise to a new individual, and this is called as bud. This type of reproduction is also called as budding type of reproduction. We'll go for the next example. We'll start with the next example called as yeast, called Saccharomyces. There are different species. Cerevisiae. One of the species is Cerevisiae. Saccharomyces, called as yeast. It is one of the fungi. It is a unicellular organism plant called as fungi, which has a presence of cell wall, well-developed nucleus, vacuole, nucleus, and all the cytoplasmic organelles are present, like mitochondria, Golgi body, cytoplasmic, all these are present. In this yeast, it produces a small outgrowth, and this outgrowth is called as bud. This will be keep growing, attains maturity, and all the components what is there in the parent enters into the bud, and it is being cut off or it is being pinched off to give rise to a new individual. This type of reproductions are called as budding type of reproduction. The next type of asexual reproduction is called as gemule. This is also called as endogenous bud, or this is nothing but inside an organism some outgrowths have been produced, so may be called as endogenous. In a freshwater sponge called spongilla. In a freshwater sponge called spongilla, there is a formation of small outgrowths inside a cycon, inside the sponge, and it is called as gemule. So, there is a formation of buds or outgrowths inside the sponge. Here, there is a presence of a small opening, and this opening is called as micropyle, and inside this there is a presence of many buds, many spherical shaped cells. Many outgrowths are produced, and these outgrowths are called as archaeocytes. This archaeocytes comes out through are thrown out through the micropyle, and it falls on a suitable place to give rise to new individuals. And these gemmules are covered by the defensive structures called as spicules. So, on the surface, it has a presence of an outgrowths like this, and these outgrowths are called spicules. So, this archaeocytes gives rise to new type of individuals, hence it is called as gemule. Is also one of the asexual reproduction.